Okay. Now narration. Hopefully you remember few rules. Can you tell the basic rules of narration? Basic, any rule. What's it? Right? The change in tenses and all. Any basic rule that you remember? Use of that. No, that is correct. Use of that. Anything else? Use of tenses. Okay, tense change. Changes to which tense? Changes to past tense. Okay? Every tense, whether it is present, future, or even it is past, it changes to past tense. Right? Various forms of past tense. Universal truths remain. Okay, same. Anything else? We use that. Okay? This is the first rule, that then change in tenses. When we change the tenses, what is the rule on when we change the tenses? When we decide to change the tense, when there is said, means the reporting verb that is in past tense. When the reporting verb is in past tense, that time we decide to change the tense. Okay? Clear? These rules simple. Let me write one sentence. He said to me, I am ill. Normal sentence in this is the subject or the speaker, verb, reported verb, and this is the object, subject, verb. Correct? Okay? Then exact words of the speaker. If this part is in past tense, then we change the tense here. If it is in present tense, if it is written, he says to me, then we are not supposed to change the tense. Any other change that takes place? Any other? We remove commas. Okay, then anything else? Said to, told. Any other change? Major change? Means the change in pronoun. Okay, the change in pronoun will also take place. Okay, same way we change like now, tomorrow, then the words that represent time. Okay, so it is going to be he told me that, no commas and inverted commas, he was ill. Done. Basic means we have to change the tense from present to past. Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past. Okay, and simple past, past perfect, and past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Means if the sentence is in its simple form, we have to keep it in simple present to simple past. Okay, and if it is in continuous form, keep it in continuous. No need to use third form of the verb. Was, were. Okay, is, mr, इस साइड पे is, mr. In indirect speech you are not going to use is, mr. Has, have, had आएगा, was, were, ये सारी चीजें आएंगी. ठीक है. Will changes to would. ठीक है. Can changes to could. ये सारे. ठीक है. Now these were declarative sentences. We have done declarative sentences and interrogative also. Interrogatives also. Rules are same. Now we are going to discuss imperative sentences. Imperative. Can you tell about imperative sentences? What are imperative sentences? That show commands, advice, requests, order. Any example? Any example?
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
Please pass me the salt.
Please pass me the salt. Please be quiet. Right? Yes. Do not change your seat. Okay? Okay? So these are imperative sentences. Now for imperative sentences, actually when we change, that is really very, very simple. Why it is simple? Just we need to keep few things in our mind. Let's take a very common and Live example. I think you can relate to this example, right? Now, you know that this part is imperative. The sentence is imperative, right? For imperative sentences, first rule is, just listen carefully, stop writing. First rule is, we don't use that. That is not used. Okay? Means we have to remove commas, we have to remove quotation marks, but we are not going to use that. Okay? Is it okay? Or I have already taken the negative sentence because इसी में सबसे ज़्यादा mistakes होती हैं. What you need to do is here in place of said to. Otherwise we were using asked, told. ये सारी चीजें now you can use requested, ordered, advised, suggested, prohibited, such type of words. ठीक है? Done. The teacher ordered कर देते हैं अभी. You can use commanded also, prohibited. ये सारी भी हैं. गुरकरण. I think इधर तक same था. No change. ठीक है? Now the next step is that we usually use that for declarative sentences, and if we are talking about interrogative, that time we use if or whether or WH word. ठीक है? Now in imperative sentences we have to use to. What? In place of that, to you connect the sentences you are going to use to. ठीक है? But as this sentence is in its negative form, ठीक है? Because something negative happened, so the teacher ordered Gurkaran. When the sentence is negative, first you have to write not, then write to. Now just tell after to. First form of the verb always. In ये कौन सा form बनेगा? Whether it is gerund, participle or infinitive, what it is. 2 plus whatever. Finite, non-finite verbs, I hope you have done. Gerund? Have you? I hope you remember finite, non-finite. This is infinitives. ठीक है? 2 plus first form of the verb, infinitive. Gerunds are ing forms. ठीक है? So, to क्या आएगा? Verb कौन सा है? Do not to change his seat. Is it okay? Changed लिखा है नहीं. Whenever we have to, first form of the verb is used. Keep this thing in your mind. When we have to and immediately after to we are writing the verb, then it should be in its first form. क्या? हाँ, ordered लिख दो, suggested लिख दो. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Riya said to me, shut the door. This is in positive form. Riya said to me, shut the door. Right? In its positive form, Riya ordered, ठीक है? Ordered me. Now we don't have any negative sentence. We don't have not in this directly. Me to shut the door. Is it okay? If it is written, Riya said to me, please shut the door. Riya requested me to shut the door. Don't write please again. Is it okay? If it is Riya, please, then this please, to show that it is the request, we are going to change this word. Riya requested me to shut the door. Simple? नहीं, please नहीं आएगा. No, when it is please ना, जब please लिखा होगा, that time you have to use requested because it is request. When we use, I think it is clear. When do we use please? When we are requesting. ठीक है? Is it okay? Sentences do. अच्छा, तो rules एक दो लिख लो. Write down the rules, few rules. For imperative लिख लेना ऊपर, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. To join sentences, or you can write after removing commas and quotation mark. To, write it down like this. To is used to join. To is used as a connector. To is used as a connector. To is used as a connector. Simple लिखो, to is used as a connector. In place of that. In place of that. Means you are not supposed to use that. Be careful. In negative sentences, second likho, in negative sentences, rule is not plus to plus first form of the verb. This is the rule. Ye as it is hi likh lo. Wait. In negative sentences, structure is not plus to plus first form of the verb. Next is in place of said to. In place of said to. In place of said to. Use advised. Ordered. Advised. Ordered. Requested. Suggested. Commanded. Prohibited. In place of said to. Is it okay? से भी हो, अगर सेज भी हुआ तब भी. अच्छा, one more thing. In case, as I have given you the structure, first comes the subject, then verb, and there is object. In case object is not mentioned, it is simply written, Ria said, shut the door. Then while writing indirect speech, you have to mention the object yourself. Obviously, हम किसी को कह रहे हैं. You can simply, if nothing is mentioned, go for he, go for me. सबसे easy हो जाएगा. अगर it is written, Ria said, shut the door. Ria said, please shut the door. No object is mentioned. You can write, Ria requested me to shut the door. चाहे वहां पे नहीं लिखा हुआ था, चाहे यहाँ पे skipped था, still while writing indirect speech, you have to mention the object. Ria requested आ जाएगा, फिर वो कई बार कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है जब यहाँ पे तुम्हें प्रोनाउन चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना, वो फिर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा. टीचर सेज टू गुरकरण, देन तब भी टू आएगा, बाकी हम वर्ब तो चेंज कर ही नहीं रहे वहां पे. ऑर्डर्स. ठीक है? इज इट ओके? नाउ गेट रेडी फॉर द सेंटेंसेस. हैव यू रिटन? चलो सेंटेंसेस नाउ. Now I have written now. You have to change this also. If today, tomorrow anything is written, then change. Okay. That's it. Yes, Anve. You can use asked also, but mostly we go for suggested and all, advised. हाँ. Consent form एक लिंक भेजा था ना मैंने वीडियो को कॉल करके करे नहीं आया दोबारा से भेज दे पास्ता कैरियर message you also have not sent me any screenshot Karan screenshot छुट्टी के बाद क्या जाना हाल चेक इन्होंने जो कह रहे हैं they have already sent just wait for 5 minutes after recess or break ठीक है then I'll check done online camera. Manan is requesting you, na? Manan. Adjust. Done. More discussion. If you have done, please raise your hand so that we can discuss. Only 4 minutes. Done. Who has done? Nobody. Kunal done. Mehak done. Angel done. Avni done. That's all. Only 3. Hurry up. I think these are very simple. जो जितनी नरेशन की उसमें से सबसे सिंपल ये जा रहे हैं अभी तक. Done. Anway is saying that he has done. Okay. इनके आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. राम requested. Done. Let's start. First is he said to me, go to school now. Wait. Okay, Surit. He requested. एक second. Wait. सबसे simple चीज whenever there the word please, ठीक है? If please is there, then use requested, ठीक है? So he ordered me, he advised me. Otherwise, I think because of now we can use ordered, ठीक है? So he ordered me to go to school then, ठीक है? To go to school then. Next is the teacher said to us, learn your lesson carefully. Avni. Wait, Avni. The teacher, correct. The teacher suggested is also correct. Advice is also correct. Don't write ordered here because it is a kind of suggestion, or you can say advice. ठीक है? नहीं, small. So the teacher suggested, the teacher advised us to learn our lesson carefully. Is it okay? Done? Next is Yashika, don't use told. Ram said don't play music here. Javan. Okay, Ram advised them not to play music here. Ram threatened. I think threatened is also correct. He threatened. Here ka there रहेगा. You have, see, no object is used here. Okay. You can use Ram ordered me, Ram suggested me, Ram advised me, him, her, anyone. ठीक है? Use any. Ordered his नहीं, him आएगा फिर. ठीक है? Then what is the sentence complete? Ram Wait, Ram. हाँ, Ram advised them not to play. It's not to, not नहीं आएगा. It is not to play music there. Commanded, announced. You can go for that also. पर हम ज्यादा announcements नहीं होती ना imperative sentences में. ठीक है? आ सकता है. The teacher said to him, don't be late in the class. Gurnoor. The teacher ordered him not to be late in the class. मैं class 5th. I said to him, I requested him to open the gate, and last is Kinjal said to Rudra, Prabal. Kinjal advised Rudra not to waste his time. Okay then, take care, bye.